Raise, tilt, swivel rotate monitors to the optimal height and viewing angle for you. This ergonomic LCD monitor arm is easily adjustable in almost every way possible to optimize your posture. Single monitor arm with 2 USB ports. This ergonomic single monitor mount has 2 USB ports. This single computer monitor arm conveniently charges and connects accessories to your computer. Single monitor arm compatible with most computer monitors. Universal VESA mount connection. Adjustable tension knob holds most monitors under 14 pounds. Simple desktop mount. The adjustable, ergonomic single monitor arm quickly mounts to the back of your desk with a C-clamp or grommet clamp, up to 3.25 inches thick. Installation is fast, easy, simple. Optimize workplace ergonomics. Use this adjustable LCD computer monitor arm to improve your seated and standing posture. Elevates monitors off your desk to better organize, declutter your workspace. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. I have a desk with 3 monitors that took up way too much space until I installed a monitor arm for each monitor. These arms are very sturdy. Only 1 out of the 3 won't stay tight and I have to tighten the screws every week or so. Currently using on 19 monitor. I am getting a bigger monitor and keeping my fingers crossed that the air will hold it up. The only complaint I have is that the arm does not raise up far enough for me, but overall it is a good product.